Estival Radiance. Nature and science come together to create the ultimate in personal care. How you care for your skin is just as important as what you use on your skin. Step 1. Cleanse. Every day, pollution, makeup, and natural oils from your pores must be cleared away to keep your skin healthy and pure. Gently massage a small amount of Estival Radiance cleansing liquid to dry skin on face and neck in upward gentle motions. Rinse with water, pat skin dry, use both morning and night. Step 2. Toner. Balance and prepare your skin with a gentle toner. Apply Estival Radiance Balancing Toner to face and neck with a cotton ball in upward gentle motions. Massage excess toner gently into skin. Step 3. Morning. Estival Radiance Protective Day Milk gives your skin the healthy moisture it needs while protecting it from harmful UV rays and environmental elements. After cleansing and toning, smooth Estival Radiance Protective Day Milk evenly over face and neck using upward and outward motions. Step 3. Night. At the end of each day, use Estival Radiance Regenerative Night Milk to moisturize and regenerate your skin throughout the night while you sleep. In the evening, after cleansing and toning, apply and gently smooth over face and neck using upward-outward motions. Treat yourself to Estival Radiance every day. Nature designed it. Unicity perfected it. You deserve it. Estival Radiance. Let your inner beauty radiate.